What's the meaning of amusing? Amusing. 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 Amusing.
The word amusing means causing laughter or providing entertainment. Something that is amusing has the power to make people feel happy and amused. It's often associated with humor, wit, or lightheartedness. The result of something amusing can be positive, as it can uplift one's mood and create a sense of joy and pleasure. It can also help to relieve stress and temporarily distract someone from negative thoughts or emotions. Overall, the result of something amusing is an enjoyable and entertaining experience that brings happiness and laughter to people's lives.